Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 15th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the monthly, it's still extremely clear to me that this is a 1, 2, 3. Still no signs that the wave 3 is over. The wave 3 still could stretch out even more before it decides to make a wave 4 and a wave 5 to finish off the trend that started way back here. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I definitely think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think we are likely in a wave 3. We definitely do have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we likely are in a wave 5. The wave 5 seems a little stretched out to me, so I do think that it needs to go up to one of these fib levels. Maybe end up doing something like this. If you see this picture like here, then that will tell me the wave 3 is over. If you don't see that, and you see something like this, where it just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, then that tells me that we're still actively in a uptrend wave 3. Going down to the daily time frame. So my last video, I said that this was my most recent structure, which it still is. If price goes up and makes a new high, then I'll move my structure up to here, which means that I will be only looking for buys until we get this breaker structure. So as of right now, like I said, the trend is definitely still up on all the higher time frames. Going down to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it definitely looks like we had the end of an ABC crescent right here. It looks like an A, it looks like a B, it looks like a downtrend for a C. Seems to me like a very clear ABC crescent. Nice impulsive up, nice breaker structure. Perfect end of a crescent. Probably a wave 1, probably a wave 2, and I bet this is going to keep on going up for a wave 3. So keeping all this in mind, let's take it right down to the 1-hour time frame. On the 1-hour time frame, looks pretty well confirmed that we are still going up. This is right here was the breaker structure that would turn this into a buyer. Ever since we had this breaker structure, I definitely think the only thing we should have been doing is looking for longs. So, if you would have gone long there, long here, long there, even long here and there, you definitely would have had some very profitable trades. So I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. I'm looking for 3 waves down. I would be a little bit cautious because it does kind of look like impulsive up, 3 waves down. So this could be a wave C. Like this could be the A, this could be the B, and it could go down for a C to make a bigger ABC crescent before it really does continue the uptrend. But we don't really know that that's true, and sometimes what we think is a wave B is actually the continuation of the uptrend. So for me personally, I'm only looking for longs right now because of my higher roadmap time frames, and I would only be looking to go long on 3-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces for entries for the continuation of what is still likely a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.